Hello everyone, Aiden from Be in Touch here with another feature walkthrough for you guys that's going to help you stand out from the pack. Today we're going to be talking all about the 1003 application. We've made this completely digital, completely customizable, and as easy as possible for you guys to implement and for your potential borrowers to fill out. The whole process is starting with this short form, okay? People can fill out this form and it'll actually get them started in the 1003 process within your Be in Touch system. Okay. There is a form automatically created for each person on your team that has a custom link. Alright, so that can be done from in Be in Touch in the modules section. Okay, you're going to come down to your Be in Touch Online 1003. And if you go to edit, it'll actually give you the link customized to each person on your team for this short 1003 application form. Okay, so you can apply that link to a button on your website. You can add it to your emails. Okay, this is a really non-committal step to get people started in the process of the 1003 and closing a loan with you guys. And the cool thing about this form, right, as they fill it out, okay, it'll do a couple things once they hit start this application. Number one, it'll create them a portal, a personal portal, and send them their password directly to their email instantly, so they can sign in their portal and get started with the full 1003. And what it'll also do is it'll create a lead in the system if this is a new person, right into your CRM. Okay, so we'll go ahead and hit that. So then we'll take them to their portal login. You'll see here, we've created a new lead because it's a new person filling out a form, and then they've received a password directly to their email. Okay, so all your potential borrower has to do is click the link wherever you put it on an email, on your website, whatever, fill out that initial piece, they get their password, right? They're now a lead in your system. You can start marketing and put them in your marketing campaigns, communicating with them. Put in their password and it'll take them right to their loan portal. So if you guys don't know, Be in Touch portals are this customized space that Be in Touch automatically makes for all of your borrowers, potential borrowers, and partners to keep everyone. It's kind of like a mini website that'll keep everyone in the loop along the way through the mortgage process, right? You can see all the different pieces of during the loan process of whether they're completed. Documents can be uploaded, contacts. People can refer their friends to you, and then this new piece is they can actually fill out their 1003 loan application from here. And this is now completely customizable. That's what I'm going to be showing you guys today, is how you can customize this form within your portals. Okay? So now really this is a complete microsite for your potential borrowers and partners to all come in and really follow a loan along and communicate throughout the entire loan process. So now we're going to get into the 1003 form. We're going to actually get into Be in Touch, and I'll show you guys how you can actually customize every single field of this form so that it works for your business, works for your potential borrowers, and makes it as easy as possible, not only for you, but for people who are trying to get a loan through your business. So we're going to go ahead and get signed into Be in Touch, and this is going to be from the Options tab. You'll see down here you have the 1003 form, right? Configure your online 1003 form, okay? And it's super simple, guys. We have all the sections here of a 1003 form. There's 8 of them, okay? And let's say that in this piece in the 1003, you didn't need assets and liabilities or declarations yet, right? You want to make this form as simple as possible. It's the first step to getting people into business with you. So you want to make it as easy and simple as possible, and then you can get all this necessary information for other pieces of the loan process later, right? An easier entry point for people to start working with you guys. So if you say you wanted to remove this whole section of assets and liabilities, you'll see there's this little eyeball up here. All you gotta do is click it. That piece will now be gone from your portals, right? From your digital loan application. We want to get rid of decorations, and then to bring it back, you can just click the eyeball again. The section will come back. Okay, you can see when a section's gone, it becomes grayed out. And these lighter ones are sections that will be included. Okay, we can even now, let's say we didn't need a social security number on this piece. We can click the little eyeballs next to the actual form fields. Okay, we don't need marital status, whatever it is, whatever works for your business. Just one click, you can add and remove the actual fields from your 1003 form. That simply, that easy. Okay, and this one will allow you to add comments. So it'll be, you know, what it says within the text field if you want to make it more specific, right? So let's say, if you want to just put optional, something like that, you know, legal first name, whatever it is, you know, you guys can mess around with this. It's your form, whatever works for you. But you can add comments into this if you need to add some more information, some clarifying information, whatever you need to do. And then when you're done, so let's see, let's get rid of government information. So we're going to have these 5 fields, these 5 sections, all right, of the 1003. You go ahead and hit update. Okay. It'll just turn gray when it's done. You'll see form 1003 configuration successfully updated. We'll come back to our loan portal. Boom. And there you can see, right, we have these first 5 sections. Let's go ahead and we'll show you some of these taken off. We'll get rid of the first 3, Social Security, first name, middle name. So I got to refresh the page. 1, 2, 3, hidden, update. All right, successfully updated. We'll go back to our form. Boom. And there are those first 3 sections. They are now gone. It's that simple, you guys. Edit, add, customize this to make it perfect for your business. And another really cool feature that we've added onto this 1003 form is that as you're going through the form, you can actually save your place after you finish each one of these sections. All right, so let's say someone filled out their borrower information section. When you actually go to this number 2, this next section, you'll be saving your place in the process. So let's say, for example, someone didn't have a piece of information they needed once they get to the type of mortgage and loan term section. They could save their place at number 2 so they have as much as they can done. Get the information they have the next day, that night, a couple of days later, come back and actually fill out this form starting from section 3 where they left off, right? Making this as easy as possible, as minimal, as non-committal as possible for someone to submit the first steps of the loan process to you, get into business with you, and hopefully this will help you guys close a lot more loans, okay? So there you go. That's the complete borrower portal. The customizable 1003, that's how easy it is to use, to implement, and to edit. I hope you guys get a lot of good stuff from this. Have a great rest of your day.